Myra here and welcome back to another video. For today, ang gagawin natin is another look using the Jupiter palette by Beauty Glazed. So, kung last time yung ginawa nating look is medyo intense, medyo bold, this time ang gagawin natin is medyo wearable sa daytime, medyo light, medyo sweet, pa-cute lang, ganon. So, to prep my face, gagamitin ko lang tong 28th Street Witch Hazel Facial Mist. Ito yung currently na ginagamit ko ngayon. So, as I've said before, ginagamit ko ngayon yung mga facial mist as my moisturizer and it works really well. So, habang pinapatuyo ko yan, gawin ko na yung aking brows. I will be using Fashion Brow ng Maybelline. Ito. Ayan. So, ayusin na muna natin yung brows natin bago tayo maglagay ng foundation. So, again, the look that I'm going for today is medyo light. Fresh-freshan lang. So, it's going to be a bit of a challenge kasi itong palette na to, wala siyang neutral na shade. Very bold yung kanyang mga shades. So, paparaanan natin na maging mas wearable siya for daytime. Yung tipong hindi ka magmumukhang pa-party. Medyo light yung brows natin today. Lalagyan ko lang siya ng mas konti pang depth sa ends or sa tail part. Gamitin ko tong EB Advanced na eyebrow kit. And ito yung gagamitin ko, yung darkest shade dito. And ang gagawin ko, ilalagay ko lang siya sa tail end nung aking brows para maganda yung pagka-ombre niya. Para mas may definition sa may tip. Okay, now tuyo na yung mist. Mag-proceed na tayo sa ating base. Ang base na gamitin ko for today is the All Day Matte Liquid Foundation by BLK in the shade Sand. So, na-shake ko na to. Kuha lang ako ng 2 pumps. Ayan. And then, kalat natin. Ang gagamitin kong pang-blend is yung O.TWO.O na sponge. I made a review on this one. So, ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa baba para makita nyo yung review ko about this one. I really like this kasi malambot siya. And, madaling makablend ng foundation. Okay, so normally, yung BLK, 2 pumps sa buong face ko pa lang yun. But as you can see, meron pang natira. So, eto, ilalagay ko na lang sa may neck part para mas pantay yung ating kulay. So, really nakakatipid ka dito sa sponge na to and I like it. Hindi na ako magka-concealer kasi hindi naman masyadong maitim yung mata ko today. Proceed na tayo sa powder. So, Maybelline and Maybelline tayo ngayon. Gagamitin ko itong Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 220 Natural Beige. Ayan, ito yung gagamitin ko pang set ng aking face. Pat-pat lang. Ayan, so nawala na yung dewiness sa ating face. So, habang medyo tacky pa ng konti yung aking lids, kukuha na ako ng eyeshadow from the Jupiter palette. And I will be using this shade right here, yung medyo peachy pink. Ayan. Gagamitin ko lang yung aking fingers. And ilalagay ko siya all over my lids. Ayan. So, mayroon na tayong wash of color sa ating lids. Usually, pag pang daytime lang, okay na sa akin yung ganyan. I-blend out lang yung outer edges para well-blended siya. And then, I'm actually good to go. Pero this time, gusto ko siyang lagyan ng konti pang oomph. Pero hindi pa rin siya ganun ka-intimidating. So, yun yung challenge ko for today for myself. So, what I'm gonna do is, lagyan natin siya ng konti pang depth. Lalagyan ko ng ganitong color. Itong shade na to. So, medyo popping yung color nito. Pero, para hindi maging overwhelming yung ating eyeshadow, ilalagay ko lang siya sa crease line. So, the look that I'm going for is, gusto ko yung pink na shade peeking through lang doon sa may crease line. So, by the way, I'm using a very tiny blending brush for this one. Then I'm going to get fluffy brush like this, fluffy brush, and then kukunin ko tong pink na to. Okay, very konti lang. And then i-blend out natin yung deeper pink na yon. Tutulungan natin na ma-blend out siya. Using that very light pink shade. So, isa yan sa tip na mabibigay ko sa inyo para mas ma-blend out nyo yung eyeshadow nyo. Lalo na if what you're blending is medyo deep and intense yung shade. You get a lighter shade na closer doon sa shade na gusto nyong ma-blend out. And then you mix it with the color while blending it out. That way, nagkakaroon ng transition yung shade na yon. And so, mas maganda yung pagkaka-blend out niya. Hindi yung isa-swirl mo lang siya ng brush hanggang sa mag-fade siya. Kasi, pag ganun yung gagawin nyo, parang you will lose the intensity because you want to fade it out. Kaka-blend mo, mawawala yung intensity nun. So, in this case, ang gusto ko lang is yung edges niya parang mag-fan out. So, I'm helping it with a lighter shade of pink para mas maganda yung pagka-blend out niya. So, this way, it looks more seamless yung blend. So, maglalagay lang ako ng konting brow bone highlight just to tone it down just a little bit. Gagamitin ko itong sa detail makeover. Itong parang yellow shade, parang more like banana powder yung shade niya. And then, ilalagay ko lang siya, konti lang, dun sa may ilalim ng aking brows. Just to brighten it up. Konting-konti lang. Next, I'm gonna warm up my face using the Aura Contour in the shade For Sure. So, ang gagawin ko is more like a bronzing technique, not really contouring. So, para lang ma-warm up yung area ng ating sides. Hindi ko kailangan ng pakak na contour right now kasi I'm going for that very light look lang. So, I'm just swirling this shade on the perimeter of my face. Nothing too intense. Gradually building up that shade. So, ayan yung look natin for today. It's a light pink monochromatic look. This is something that I can definitely wear sa daytime. It's light, pero meron pa rin siyang hint of color. If this look is kind of still intimidating para sa mga tao na medyo takot pa sa colors pagdating sa eyeshadow, yung wash of color ng shimmer shade sa eyelids, enough na yun. Pwedeng yun lang yung suotin nyo and then just blur out the edges using a clean, fluffy brush and you're good to go. Pwede na yun. So, ayan siya. I think it's wearable in, for daytime. So, what do you think? Do you like it? Ako, I like it. It's still fresh. It looks, alam mo yun, ang lakas makabata ng pink. So, there you have it. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to at sana nagustuhan niyo yung look na ginawa natin for today. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and also do subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. Click mo na rin yung bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And you may also follow me on my other social media accounts. I'm Myra Paneda on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye!
No, no.